they face during. Okay. Okay, what type of hardship? Now the address. The address, it is a story of a one family, and the actually mother some articles, some items, household item, very valuable antiques and all household item with one of her friend. उसके एक friend के पास उन्होंने छोड़ दिए थे. Actually, it was during the war time. Normally, the war time bordering areas are village. They have to quit that place. वो place छोड़ना होता है. And everything they can't. It means there is a great problem. The people, those who are residing in a bordering area, जो बॉर्डर पे रहते हैं उन लोगों को काफी परेशानी होती थी. एंड इट वाज ए वार टाइम था. एंड they means the author mother, here the writer's mother or the author's mother or the narrator's mother, and she was fearing that any time they can be asked to quit the place. किसी भी टाइम उनको quit the place and all, they can be go into the somewhere refugee camp and all. It means they cannot take each and everything with them. वो साथ में नहीं ले जा सकते थे. And there was one friend, उस friend Mrs. Darling, जो उसकी friend थी Mrs. Darling. Actually, she assured her, उसने उसको after the war when you return I'll return the articles, because both were friend, very close friend and all. So certainly she could not doubt more, ज़्यादा वो doubt नहीं कर सकती थी. That's why she gave all the articles. उसने सारे articles उसको दे दिए. Okay. And after returning from the war, what happens actually after the war when they came back, whether she got the article, and if she got, she refused to take the article. She did not want to take the article. The author did not want to take the article. ये जो writer narrator did not want to take the article. वो नहीं चाहते थे article ले जाना. लेकिन let's see what will happen. Mrs. Darling in different attitude. Yes. Okay, you can unmute everyone, sir. Yes. Unmute everyone, sir. Dinesh sir, unmute everyone. Later की तरफ उसकी जो indifferent attitude it is shown. Now it is only brief summary so that those who are joined late, they can come to know about the chapters summary and what is the actually given in the chapter. The narrator knocked at the door of the house. First of all, actually the narrator, when she went after the war के पास, she knocked at the door, but the door was opened only a little. उसके लिए थोड़ा सा door खोला गया. And the person, and she asked her owner if she knew her. उस मालिक को उसने पूछा. Actually she is the narrator. Actually during the war time, the narrators or the author's mother died, and her mother had only kept the belongings, articles with the friend, that is Mrs. Darling के पास. And casually she mentioned the address, बिल्कुल casually, and she also did not care. She did not concentrate on the address and all, remembering and all, because she was not knowing what will be the fate after the war. War के बाद क्या होगा? Sir, I think you are not unmuted. You are not muted, participants. Sir, mute participants, please. Dinesh sir, who is host, please mute all the participants. In the chapter, as she is known as, इसका कैरेक्टर का नाम जो मदर ऑथर की मदर है मिसिस एस के नाम से जाना है. But the owner of the house, Mrs. Darling, denied. उसने deny कर दिया that she did not know. वैसे she might have told because she had never met her. उसको कभी ज़्यादा face to face she had never met. कभी नहीं मिली face to face. And Mrs. Darling faced below absolutely no sign of recognition. उसके चेहरे पर there was no sign. कोई भी sign नहीं थे recognition पे. And they kept staring at without speaking any word. And secondly, actually, it was a totally inhuman treatment given to her. It was totally मतलब no respect was given to visitors, which wherever it is not a culture, especially in our country. Okay. If anyone comes, certainly we offer seat and all, water and all, which is normally a tradition or custom in our society. But she was not treated like that. उसको ऐसा treat नहीं किया था. The narrator thought that perhaps she was mistaken. Narrator ने सोचा, now narrator, when she told that she did not know her, वो उसको नहीं जानती है, तो first of all she might have a little bit confused whether she had come to the right address or not. थोड़ा सा confusion हुआ होगा कि शायद वो right address पे नहीं आई. And hung a wrong bell. It means she had rung the wrong bell. वो गलत जगह पर आ गई. Then the narrator got a glimpse of her mother's car figure knitting. Then she saw the woman, actually woman who opened the door. जो जिस woman ने डोर ओपन किया था, शी वाज बियरिंग द सेम कार्डिगन, और शी वाज बियरिंग द कार्डिगन ऑफ हर मदर, उसकी मदर का वही कार्डिगन वो पहने हुए थी. From there she realized that she has come to the right address. ये question, sometimes this question can be asked, how did the writer make narrator, writer, author make sure that she has come to the right address? Actually, when the owner of the house opened the door, or when Mrs. Darling, you can say directly, when Mrs. Darling opened the door and she told that she did not know her, वो उसको नहीं जानती है. For some time, for just fraction of time or for some moment, she was confused whether she had come to the right address or not. But when she saw that same cardigan which belonged to her mother, जो उसकी mother का cardigan था, that woman had put on, then she was sure that she had come to the right address. She had come to the right address. वो सही address पर है. Green cardigan, darling was. She confirmed that she has reached the correct address. वो correct address पर आ गई है. Mrs. Darling accused her by saying that they could not talk, and then she talked. Okay, I can't talk to you at this moment. इस moment पे मैं आपसे बात नहीं करती. You can come anytime. आप किसी और हैं. It means she was having some sort of glimpse, remembering her that she's the real owner of all these articles, all those belongings. ये उसकी मतलब सही मालकिन है. It means she was having that idea. वो हो सकता है. Someone watching the narrator from the window. When she opened the door, it means in the house someone was there. वहाँ कोई देख रहा था उसको house से. Actually, the door was not opened fully. पूरा door नहीं खुला गया था. It was little bit only, and she started out. But she saw that someone was watching through the window. कोई उसको window से भी देख रहा था. And the girl presumed that other than Mrs. Darling must be watching her, and must have asked the narrator come there. Why the narrator come? Means she wanted to know. She might have, and maybe a daughter, maybe the Mrs. Darling daughter there. वहाँ पर हो सकता है Mrs. Darling की daughter हो, and she wanted to know who was the stranger. कौन वहाँ पर अचानक आया है? That was okay. The narrator remember what her mother had told. Now she started remembering. She started coming back. She told. She just stood for some time there, and when the door was closed, there was no other way except to leave that place. उसके पास कोई चारा नहीं था. She started moving, and when she started, it was written on that house number. It was 46, and at the corner she found again one board. It was written Marconi Street, Marconi Street, and now she started remembering before the war. When one day she came to home, एक दिन जब वो घर पे आई थी किसी because of some reason में था, and casually she observed that the things from the rooms were missing immediately, and she told there is something missing from the room. उसने बोल दिया था, and his mother was also surprised by the keen observation. उसकी keen observation. It means whenever the things are there or presents and all, she never cared, but when they were missing, it means she observed that one. उसने वो observe कर दिया था, and now she started remembering all these things. ये याद करने लगी कि कैसे मुझे मिसिस डॉर्लिंग का एड्रेस पता था, और how the things she had carried, कैसे वो चीज ले गई. After this refusal, narrator walked back to the station thinking about the mother. Her mother had given Mrs. Darling address a years ago. काफी साल पहले उसने दिया था, and it had been the first half of the war, first half in between the war. And the narrator mother told her about Mrs. Darling, old acquaintance. Acquaintance means the known person. उसके old acquaintance known थी. And she informed that the every time whenever Mrs. Darling came, कि जब भी मिसेस डॉर्लिंग आती है, actually she has promised to keep the all precious old article, antiques you can say, old articles with her. उसने सारे आर्टिकल अपने पास रखने के लिए मतलब प्रॉमिस किया है, and she promised that she would give after Paris, and took something home. Means every time whenever she came, she used to carry the item जब वो ले जाती थी. And even the Mrs. S, actually the narrator's mother, she thought that she was also taking very high risk by taking this one, carry the burden. वो burden ले जाने के लिए काफी मतलब risk ले जा रहे. The reason Darling gave her the action was that she wanted to save all the goods. क्योंकि वो चाहती थी, because during the war time these sort of things certainly it will be spoiled or damaged. To avoid all these things, Mrs. Darling used to carry. And the narrator mother had accepted the idea, and this is rather obliged to Mrs. Darling that she was only obliged to Mrs. Darling that she has even assured her to keep the item secure. अपने सामान को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए she has told. And the narrator remembers when she met. Now she remembers when she met first time Mrs. Darling. उसको कैसे Mrs. Darling. The narrator arrived at the station without him. Now she was lost in thought. She was remembering about the past, and she came to the station. वहां पर स्टेशन पर आ गई without knowing about the surrounding. जो उसकी surrounding थी उनके बारे में बिल्कुल बिना पता कि she just reached there. वहां पर पहुंच गई. She was walking in a familiar places again the first time since the war. War के बाद वो पहली बार वहां पर. And she did not want to upset her with the sight of the street and houses full, because once she was moving through the familiar place, एक जानी मानी जगह से जा रही थी. She did not want to upset herself. अपने आप को upset नहीं करना चाहती. And it was morning. It was morning after the day mother had told about Mrs. Dorling. Mrs. Dorling के बारे में जैसे उसने बताया, it was morning. Morning का time था actually, and she was wearing a brown coat and the shapeless hat. वो brown coat पहने हुए थी. And the narrator had asked from the mother if she lived away. उसने पूछा भाई क्या वो दूर रहती है क्या? And she was carrying a heavy suitcase. वो बहुत heavy suitcase ले जा रही है, and she was living away. क्या वो दूर रह रही है? Her mother told her that Mrs. Dorling lived at house number 46 Marconi Street. House number there she remember little bit. It was just casual talk. बिल्कुल casual ही था. She never in her intention was not to learn the address. बिल्कुल नहीं था उसका intention. Now the narrator reluctant to see the family all night. Means after the war, when she came back after the war के बाद आने के बाद, when everything become normal, there you can write what was the difference during the war and after the war. Okay, during the war they were having all sort of problem. They were not having any peaceful sleep and all, and the quality of bread and supply of bread and all rotiयों की जो supply होती थी, it was also interrupted. It was not very, and they were always living in the stress or the fear of moving anytime. किसी भी टाइम मतलब उनको स्ट्रेस होता था कि उनको यहाँ से चलने के लिए कह दिया जाएगा. बट आफ्टर द वॉर they could sleep peacefully without any disturbance, without any problem, कोई भी disturbance के बिना, and even the quality of bed and all, it was also improved. Means after the war, it means they were leading a very peaceful life after the war. But during war, it was totally full of troubles. Okay, it was totally a troublesome life they were leading. इस तरह की वो. The narrator had remembered the address but waited a long time to go there initially. And initially, after the war was over, she was not interested in the belonging lying with Mrs. Dorling. पहले तो वो she was not at all interested, because after she came back from it take some time to be normal. But and she was afraid to see the things that belong to her dead mother, because that was the reason. Sometimes there may why she did not want to see the old belonging immediately after returning from the war. लड़ाई से आने के बाद जब उसने देखा वो, why she was not interested, because all these articles which belong to her mother and dead mother, her mother died during the war time and she could not face that one. She was alone in the entire world, and with the just about the mother, if she start remembering, अगर उसको याद आ जाएगा, certainly she will be upset, काफी upset हो जाएगी, afraid. And she did not want to see the belongings lying Mrs. Dorling house in the box, and now she did not want to see the belonging that lying. So that's why she decided to go to that place to have the belongings. जो वो belongings थी उसकी जो भी articles थे, antiques and all, old items and all, very precious, very valuable item. Now these items are having a even emotional value for her. Emotional, why they are having emotional value? Because those items belong to her mother, उसकी mother के थे, and certainly it was very valuable for her. उसके लिए बहुत ही valuable. But gradually her life became normal, and one day she became curious to know about her. एक दिन when life became normal after the war and all, after that all troublesome period it was over, जो भी period था उनका during the war time, they were having a life of hardship and all sort of full of problems. जो भी problems की life थी, then when it became normal, she decided to go in search of the belongings. अपनी चीजें decide कर लिया. And now she went there when when we started. She knocked at the door. उसने नोट किया था, and she was not treated nicely. वहां पर उसको nicely treat नहीं किया गया. After the first visit, now first visit already we have seen, and she was not even given a normal, not treated as a human being. And after she did not yield any result, उसका कोई भी result नहीं था. She decided to visit second time. उसने second time visit करने की कोशिश की. This time a girl of about 15 opened the door. एक girl ने, मतलब it means the Mrs. Dorling was वो घर पर नहीं थी, and her daughter was there. She opened the door. उसने दरवाजा खोला. The narrator asked about Mrs. Dorling. उसने Mrs. Dorling के बारे में पूछा, and she told that she has gone for work. वो कुछ काम के लिए गई. And she noticed the old-fashioned iron candle holder, and they were never used. वो उसने now when she took her inside, And when she went inside the room, she was totally surrounded by all the items belonging to them. उनके सारे जितने भी पुराने आइटम थे which were there, उनके अपने थे. And she was surrounded by all these items. And she was feeling a little bit uncomfortable because they were not placed properly. वो एक अच्छी तरह से नहीं लगे. That's why she was feeling comfortable. उस तरह से वो comfortable नहीं. The narrator was horrified. She found himself in the midst of the belongings, and they oppressed as they were kept in the surrounding in a very tasteless manner. In a very 6 and 7 तीतर बीतर पड़े हुए थे. And she was hurt to see the family belongings lying in a tasteless way and ugly furniture, muggy smells and all. It was coming. The narrator keen observation of Mrs. Darling. वो Mrs. Darling के keen observation. The narrator's keen observation of Mrs. Darling daughter. उसकी Darling की daughter के बारे में. She was keenly observing the girl and who had a broad back. उसकी काफी broad back थी. Similar to Mrs. Darling, means all the quality and physique appearance. It was just like her mother. उसकी mother की तरह. The girl was placing a tea to be served. उसके लिए चाय बना रही थी. It means the second time she was treated nicely. It means you can say first time even she was not allowed to go inside and she did not want to talk to her. Just she casually told she did not know her. उसने casually बता दिया था कि वो नहीं जानती थी. And after that she did not want to talk. But this time when she visited second time, जब उसने second time किया, a girl of 15, it means the Mrs. Darling's daughter opened the door and she took her inside. उसको अंदर ले गई. She was pouring tea from the white teapot. वो white teapot से चाय डाल रही थी. And the gold border lid, and that's the description of that one. And she cracked a joke about the eating the antique plates. Antique plates के बारे में she also told about that. The narrator also found a burn mark in the burn 20. Okay, 18. Okay. Yes. 18 students. Yes, students. Okay. She also now when she was sitting on the table पर जब बैठी हुई थी, she started observing the this one all tablecloths and all everything. She started observing. वो observe करना शुरू कर दिया. And she was keen observer on the border lid, then teapot and all, because the lid was having a golden border. उसके ऊपर जो teapot का lid means cover, जो उसका cover था, it was having a golden border था. And all the crockeries and the cutlery belong to the narrator's family. Means it means that what is the condition? They started using the articles as their own. It means she was very selfish, she was very greedy, and she thought that after the war they would not return. वो वापिस नहीं आएंगे. But perhaps the girl was not aware of this fact, and the girl, she was not knowing that she the real owner of all these articles. ये articles की वो असली मालकिन है. They belong to her. वो सारे whatever the articles are there, it all belongs to her. So, and she cracked a joke about eating dinner in those antiques. उस antiques में बोलते. And she told just in a मतलब it was just a joke, and she want to show the rather you can say richness and all that they were eating in those antique plates. The narrator also find a burn mark. एक उसके ऊपर burn mark. There was a tablecloth. It was having a burn mark and it had never been repaired. Now she wanted to know that one, and her finger started moving on the tablecloth, and she found the same burn mark. वही burn mark उसको मिल गया in the midst. Now the narrator about the polishing of the silver cutlery. उनकी silver cutlery की polishing करते. The narrator remembers the time when her mother was alive. जब उसकी mother alive थी. The narrator was at home either bored or ill. मतलब वहाँ पर वो बोर हो रही थी और ill थी, बीमार थी. Actually she came home and her mother asked her to polish the silver cutlery. उसने कहा वो silver cutlery, all these forks and spoons, these were, and she was surprised to see that the cutlery they were using was of silver. बोलती है silver, चांदी की all the articles, all the forks and all बर्तन जितने भी थे ये सब चांदी के. Mrs. Darling was surprised to hear that they were using the silver cutlery for eating. It means this belongs to totally them. उनके वो article थे, and Mrs. Darling has started using their articles like their own. It means we can say that she was very selfish. Okay, the narrator now the final resolution. उसका जो final resolution था, what was the final decision actually narrators? The narrator decided that she could not stay there anymore. Means even the time was also there for the train. Train का time भी हो गया था, and she did not want to stay in that atmosphere because she was not feeling comfortable in those. And the address was correct. She reached the right address, and the narrator did not want to remember it anymore. Now she decided that she came second time. She wanted to have the she wanted to see the belongings and all, and even her intention might have been to carry the all the antiques, all the belongings of their to their house, to her house now. But she decided, uh, she felt that the object were linked to the memory of the time which is no longer existed, who is no longer existed. It belonged to a person. It means they are having an emotional attachment with those who are not who is not existing now. It means her mother was no more, and they had lost their values in the strange surrounding, and they were put in a tasteless way. So she did not want it. It means they are having. It means they are having. There were two reasons. Yes, there were two reasons actually for this one. There were two reasons that she did not want to remember this address anymore. First of all, these articles, they are having a emotional attachment with a person who was no more in this world. इस दुनिया में नहीं था, जो अभी भी उसकी मदर नहीं थी. And secondly, she was living in a very small rented house. एक छोटे से rented house में थी, and there might have not been a proper place or space for keeping all these things. ये चीजें शायद रहने के लिए नहीं. Sometimes there can be a question, okay, why she did not want to remember the address? क्यों नहीं चाहती थी वो address remember करना? The narrator decided that she could not stay there anymore. वहां पर अब वो नहीं रहना चाहती. The address was correct. उनका जो address था, it was correct. बिल्कुल सही address था. But the narrator did not want to remember it anymore. उसको और ज्यादा वो याद नहीं करना चाहती थी. There were two reasons. इसके दो reason थे. And she felt that the objects were linked to the memory. All these objects, all these articles, all these belongings, all these household things, they linked with the memory of her mother, and who was no more in this world. Secondly, and no more existing, and they had lost their values in the strange atmosphere. They had lost their all values because they were put not in a proper, and moreover, they were used by the used by Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling ने उनको use किया. Okay, that's why. And she comforted herself by thinking that her present house was too small. She was living in a just small rented house, एक छोटा सा rented house था, and to accommodate all the old stuff and all these things, there was no space. कोई भी space नहीं था. And she left the house, leaving all her family's belongings behind. And she left all the house, leaving all these family belongings behind. She left the house and started for the, and even she did not want to meet, even she did not want to meet Mrs. Darling. Even Mrs. Darling's daughter told that mother would be coming very soon, but she told it's time for the it is time for the my train, and I've forgotten even the time in this conversation and all. So students, you can unmute themselves for time being. Yes, sir. You can unmute them. They will have their query session. They will have their query session. You can unmute them, sir. Yes, anyone wants to talk, you can raise your hand.